Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about jewelry and watches store, business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can sell their products. So first enter here your email and click start free trial. Here you can just skip this all. Now continue. So you can log in, choose if you wanna log in with Facebook or Google. Now wait a few seconds to build in this website. So first you have to go to online store, click themes, and here you can change your themes if you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just click add and wait to install in the theme. Wait a few seconds. Now your theme is ready, so just click here, publish, and here you can customize it on your home page. So just click customize. So this is your home page website, this is your home page store. So the first thing here you have on the home page, here you can change it to desktop or mobile, for example like this, or you can also change it like a full screen. For me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. So here if you want to design your website, you can design it from here. So if you want to add something new, just click add section. You can add image with the text. For example, you can add the image banner. So you can add whatever you want. You can also move the sections if you want. For example, the slideshow, you can move it at any place you want. You can if you want to delete some section, just click on it, select it, and click here remove section, and it will be deleted. So let's move on to the header, the first section on the website, the header. Now let's go to the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme if you want. You can turn this on and show separator line. You can also show icons on desktop. You can turn this on and auto rotate announcements. You can also enable country region selector. You can enable language selector. So let's move on to here, the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can add your link, or if you want to search for something. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. Here you can change the desktop logo position, for example like this, or if you want to change it like top left or top center, so whatever you want. Here you can change the main menu. Here you can change the desktop menu type, and you can change the sticky header. You can also turn this on and show separator line. You can change the color scheme or the menu color scheme. You can enable country region selector or language selector. So that's it. Here you can manage the spacing and the section padding. You can also here, if you want to add your social media links like a Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube or whatever you want to add. Here you can select your logo if you want. You can upload it from your library, or if you wanna search for like for example on browser, jewelry logo, for example this. You can customize it if you want. You can from your library or whatever you want. For just for example this. Now this is your logo. Now you can change it if you want at any time. You can edit the logo if you want. You can add a text on it. You can manage the desktop logo width or the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on. here you can manage the slideshows, so you can manage the layout. For example, you can make it grid, you can manage the slide height, you can manage the pagination style, and also you can turn this on, auto rotate slides. You can manage the animation. So that's it. Here you can add your select image, for example. For example, jewelry. You can search on it on the browser. Jewelry. So for example, like this. You can generate the heading if you want. Just generate text, and here you can describe what this text is about. For example, jewelry and watches. So now click generate and wait to generate this. Also, you can generate the subheading if you want. You can manage the heading size, and you can turn this on. Use the outline button style. You can turn this on, desktop content alignment, and you can manage the color scheme. So that's it. Now let's move on to another thing. So let's move on to the featured collections. Here you can manage also the heading. You can change the heading, you can generate another heading, you can manage the heading size. So that's it. Here you can manage you can add the description, you can generate the text, you can also edit the form of the text. You can manage this the collections, you can change it. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can make a product full width. So that's it. You can show second image on hover, you can show vendor, you can show product rating. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on. Here you can add the text. You can add the text if you want, you can generate it. Just click here, search for jewelry, and click generate. So for example, like this. And that's it. Here you can give customers details about your product. So here you can generate another thing if you want. So let's move on. Now let's move on to the image banner. So this is the image banner. You can select, you can for example you can select on some photos on browser like this. Just for example, you can choose whatever you want. Now wait a few seconds to uploading this photo. You can add the second image if you want. That's it. You can change the banner. You can manage the banner height. So you can change the color scheme. You can manage the animation. You can also manage the mobile layout. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, after you're done from designing the footer, also here the email sign up and the footer. Also you can here change the color scheme, and you can show email sign up. You can change the heading if you want. So after all this, you can just click here save, and click here exit. So now let's go to the home. So after you customize your online store and add the custom domain, and after add sharing details, after you add your first products, now here this next step, you can name your store if you want. You can change the store name, type any store name you want. You can add your store phone here, you can change your email. So let's save this. Now after you design your website, now all you have to do is publish your store and launch it, launch your online store, and that's it. Now that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.